Hi, this is Sia from Workfast.ai. So in this video, I have explained on how we can use our Workfast.ai app feature-wise. So please do check it. Hello, this is Sia from Workfast.ai. So this is our interface, Workfast.ai. The first module we have channels for communication. You can have your own dedicated communication line with your employees and co-workers. You can create multiple channels here. If you have a team for sales, if you have a team for marketing, you'd be having team for operations. You can create separate channels along with your team, and you can improve your communication. For example, let's say I am creating a channel for my sales team here, and I can edit the icon if I want to. And once this is done, I'll make this channel either public or private. So if it's public, then everyone in the workspace would be able to look into it. If it's private, only the members I add would be able to look into this. And once this is done, I can add my members here in my private channel, and I can create accordingly. I can dash a quick message here. I can send voice notes along here. And if I want to add any media files along this channel, I can add it, be it images, videos, audios, anything as I wish. I can send them across too. And with respect to communication, the problem arises like we'd be having the conversations back and forth, but none of them would be converted as an action item. So in that case, let's say I would need a report for the month of September, and this is an action item that I am giving to my team. So if it's any other normal communication, this will be neglected, and the action item wouldn't be converted. So in this case, this has to be carry forwarded. So what I'll do is I'll come here and add it to a task right from my communication channel here. So I'll simply directly assign it to my team member, saying that he has to do this particular task. So right from my communication, half of my work is done here. So this can be done, and we'd be having three default channels in our workspace. One is town hall. Town hall is where all the members in the workspace are added, and they'll be having their daily communication. And we'll be having the beta feedbacks here. So beta feedbacks is where you can add your feedback to our technical team in Workfast.ai. You can add your title, and you can send a bug report, or if you are requesting a new feature, you can just send out your reports here and submit. This is directly mapped to our technical team. So and after that, we have this availability channel here. So basically, when your co-workers or employees get into this app, they can check in. So once they are checking in, their location as well as their timestamp both is being fetched here by clicking on the check-in. And this result is shown in the availability channel, which is only visible to the admin members. So the admin members would be able to look into the daily attendance of the whole employees in the workspace. And you can click on the view detail. You can look at my recent day activity log of 11 hours, 14 hours, etc. And you also get to look into my attendance history of where I have checked in and checked out. So our app fetches the most accurate location of where I have checked in and checked out. And my whole history of where I have gone is also recorded in the timeline. I'd be in the office at 9 a.m., and then in the afternoon I might be in a different location. All of these is fetched here, and I can export the check-in and check-out report with the start date and an end date if I want to. So this is basically about channels. And in terms of the settings of the channels, you can look into the channel name, icon, visibility. You can either leave the channel, and you can look into the members of the channel, and you can also look at the pinned messaged or saved media files here. And in terms of deleting the channel, we are very particular about the channel data. So we don't want any data leakage, so or any data losses. So we can only archive the channel. So by archiving, the whole conversation that the channel had is saved, and we have kept it that way. So this is the whole channel module explanation. See you in the next module. Thanks for watching, and further, if you have any queries, please do let us know in the comments.